Hi, I am Dr. Lopamudra Priyadarshini. I work for social development and mostly sustainable developmental goals. I have been working in this field for the last 20 years and currently serving in the rural part of India with an Aditya Birla Group company, Hindalco Industries. And this is how I started. This is where I am is where I started my career from. I have been educated in UK. I did my masters in UK. I am doctorate in sociology. I also have a diploma in hotel management. So it was a long journey in terms of education as well as in my profession. So I think why I chose this profession. I don't think I actually chose any profession. Actually, there is one thing always in my mind that I will do it. No matter what comes my way, I will learn it. I am capable enough to learn something and excel in that same field. Thus, people see me that I have worked in HR for a longer time period. Then I worked in international business. People are surprised. Joint ventures, mergers, acquisition, technology transfer. Even I did that. When it came to me in an HR segment of social development, I took it as a challenge as well. But I ensured that when I took it, I had no knowledge about legal knowledge about it, so I acquired it. So soon I acquired a doctorate on it. So what happens is you don't choose professions, you have it in you. You are that person. You have kept it somewhere inside you, and when it comes to you, somebody offers you, it comes out of you. And when it comes out of you, you do your best and you be the best and you became the best. I think I am in that journey. I say that when I was going to UK and I actually sat down, I was so humbled and I so felt gratitude to people who sponsored me and who actually took me there and took me to this a different world and a different journey. At that time I decided, anytime whatever job I do, whatever work I do, I will go back to my place. I will give back to this society who had given me so much. May it be the rural Raigada where I am born, my mother, birthplace, or I say my mother tongue, or my place where I am born. It feels, when I enter that place, it makes me feel that I am home. So thus, see, what you aspire for, actually sometime the cosmos conspires for it. The actually cosmos conspires in bringing you. Have to want it so deep and so inside you that the entire cosmos work towards it and brings you there. So this journey, I sometimes look at it that way, that I was a waiter, then I was in the hospital, I was in the post office, then I was working as a lecturer, and then I worked as a HR professional, I worked as an international business professional. So what happens in all this journey, that you learn, you learn the people management, and then from there I came to a social development professional. So all this journey always teaches you, be human, learn, and keep on learning, keep on respecting all those who comes to your way. Every somebody has told me, every day, Lopa, we learn something new we don't know. So write it down, and I keep writing it. What did I learn today? Today is this day and I learned something new, and it has absolutely helped me to grow as a human being, a better human being, and better professional, better social development professional, I would say. Because when we work with society, we actually need to feel their pain. And because I have gone through that pain, I feel it. And when I feel it, I ensure it that I give whatever, I train them. It's not that I wanted to give something free of cost. It is, I wanted to teach them. I wanted to teach the way they can achieve. So actually, sometimes I look at myself and I want to be a good daughter to my mother, to my parents, good sister to my brother, and good friends to my friends, good mother, and a good wife. Always I thought that I have to work towards it. I don't know what the definition of good, how do we define good, but sometime it's our duty to work with these people, work for this particular cause. I want to be a good mother, so that may be an inspiration that I do certain things. I want to be a good daughter. It may be a certain inspiration that I want to be a good mother, a good daughter, and then how do I become, what should I do, and how do I have a good a professional. This is what most of the time inspires me, that if I am working for people, if I am working for mankind, what best I can do, and that doing good and doing best always in a different role, as a mother, as a daughter, as a wife, as a sister, as a friend, as a social development professional, inspires me in whatever role I am, and thus I work towards achieving it. Yes, today I have not done something correct. I rectify myself, being a mother or being a daughter or being a wife, and then I work upon it. And when I do that, I see that yes, I had done a little change in people's life, and I make them smile. So mostly I think my inspiration comes from this, to be who I am actually, and to actually give as it's a reciprocal, obviously. So because I am getting all this love from everyone, and I give back this love to them in various forms. So when I actually finished, I was in the second year of my life-changing events. A few events that vaguely the good ones are there, and there were some not so good ones are there as well. So the good ones is training I have been to Taj Palace, my hotel management, and I was assigned in the restaurant as a waiter. But unfortunately I didn't know English. I could not understand English. English गोटे जिनस मु बुझी भी पार नथली, कहीं रायगड़ा पाठ पढ़ी एवं रायगड़ा पूरा लाइफ रही 17 वर्ष कि 16 वर्ष रही सब ओडिया रे कहते, इंग्लिश लिखा जानती किंतु कहवा जानी नथली. सो दैट गाय जेंटलमैन टोल्ड मी, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं बेटा, तुमको यस नो समझ में आता है? तो मैंने कहा हाँ मुझे आता है. तो आप अंदर जाओ, खड़े रहो, और जो भी वो ऑर्डर देंगे यस बोल के आ जाना, बाकी मैं संभाल लूँगा. So that thing, that बाकी मैं संभाल लूँगा, had given me a lot of confidence in life, and every step of my life I always remember that gentleman, and I am very thankful to him. I just don't remember his face, but he is always in my prayers. Now then, sometime after this I started working in hotels in a very good chains. And I suddenly took a call that as I don't know in Odisha re kamo kari ki khali Odia re kahiba, ame bahar ro mane acquainted hei parunu, bahar ro language koi parnu, kano hotel bhi there were a lot of people who were coming from outside, and we only could frame certain sentence, how are you good, yes, no. So I wanted to do more, I wanted to learn more. So one fine day I took a call ki no, I will go to Chennai. I have moved to SRM as a lecturer. The day I was moving, I was very, very depressed. I was very, very sad. कि भाई मु कौन गोटे एमती डिसीजन नहीं गली आ छाड़ी की चेन्नई जीवी जो क्या मु चिन्हिनी क्या मु जानी. एंड वन कोलीग ऑफ माइन सुदीप, एंड ही टोल्ड मी तो पाखे डिग्री अच्छी, मु कहली हाँ अच्छी, सर्टिफिकेट अच्छी, मु कहली हाँ अच्छी, जो ठीक कम कर 3 वर्ष 4 वर्ष हाँ कर, तो जो ठीक भी जीव तो पाखे डिग्री अच्छी, सर्टिफिकेटा तोर, नॉलेजटा तोर. सो कौन होगा बेसी टू बेसी जाकि कौन से कहे ना कि ना चाकरी ना कि यू आर नॉट डूइंग वेल, लुक फॉर समथिंग एल्स. सो दैट अगेन अ वेरी टर्निंग पॉइंट इन माय लाइफ कि अच्छा इट्स ट्रू, मो पाखे अच्छी, व्हाई आई एम स्केयर्ड, मो पाखे नॉलेज अच्छी, मो पाखे सर्टिफिकेट अच्छी, दैट मीन्स इट्स एन एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड. आई हैव डन दोज एजुकेशन, आई हैव वर्क फॉर सर्टेन इयर्स, आई नो द ट्रेड, आई नो द वर्क. व्हाई शुड आई बी फियर? Why should I be scared of? So why the fear is there inside me, and that changed me. So from that time I said, अच्छी तो डरिवार किसी नहीं. Anywhere I am such strong person that कोठी भी मु गले, I will stand there, I will do it, whatever. That's how I have worked in so many places, so many portfolios. Never ever I was scared of not able to do it. that was never in my mind कि मोटा करी पारी भी नहीं होगा. Those were not there with me. I always thought, yes, I can do it. क्यों? Nobody is better than me. If he can or she can do it, then why cannot I do it? Maybe I didn't have an educational background, but I have the knowledge. I know people. I know how to handle people. It is management, and I did management, and here I am. So there are a lot of such incidents, and these two are very pleasant for me and very motivating for me. So I keep on repeating to people that such angels comes to your way, and they teach you and they make you more stronger as an individual, as a human being. So that was a good experience. Yes. There was this time very important in my life, very important, I would say. I moved to Greece, and suddenly I realized that if you don't know Greek, you can't work. And I had a good 7 years of work experience when I moved to Greece, as my husband is from Greece. There I actually formed, we worked for the business, international business, and we formed the Greek-Indian business community. In that community, Indian Embassy, one fine day Indian Embassy calls me and tells me that you are very pivotal in creating this society, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that time the President of India, is coming to Athens, and you are invited as a special a guest, and you will have to brief him about the and that was one moment, I would say, that I could not believe myself. And yes, I met him, and such a ground to earth person. 2 or 3 things he told me that day when we were conversing with him, and I asked him, as a Indian who's in this place, what do you advise an Indian to do? He said, you do good for the country you are living, and that was really a great answer. And he also, I was talking about where I come from Rayagada, rural. He said, you do good. One day you have to go back and you do good for your own place as well. In a term that he was trying to imply that let us take the urban India to rural India. So the rural India, people like me who migrated from rural India till here will not do that in future. And it's a good practice that we came out, we learned, and we will go back. But when we go back, we ensure that we give or we train all that, we give that community all this facility that they don't want to get out of it. One should make, he told me, we should aspire to make India as a developed country. And I think in my back of my mind, my vision is how India can become a developed country with all these things what I have seen in the Western world. I want every village to have a total urban setup. Supermarket, maybe it may be a mall, may it be a good educational institutes, may it be coaching centers, good healthcare facility, good sanitization, all these aspects what we see in urban India should go there, and livelihood opportunity above all. Why would people live in rural India? We have to provide them with livelihood opportunities, and we have to make the infrastructure such strong that such opportunities are there, and the rural India aspire and work to be in their setup rather than moving around here and there. So we Indians, we don't have to move anywhere. we can actually be where we are, and with all these we can add our skills after going out and learning. So this is small things, I believe, incidents rather, which had given me a focused approach on what I want to do and why I want to do it.